close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Welcome back. Come with me, my sister and my daughter, traveling into New York at 5:30 a.m. by train. So we're at the train station and your girl giving you a little vlog. We're traveling to the city. My sister's here from the UK and I want to take her for her to see in New York City what it looks like. So we took the train and it took us 2 hours 45 minutes to get to New York. The first thing that we will be doing is we will be going to see the Statue of Liberty by boat. Yes, your girl on water again. So we got to the port and it was sunny. It was hot. Got to the port and we had to wait in a line. Luckily we got there like really early, maybe an hour before, because we were at the front. Here comes the boat that we're about to get on. It's almost time and we're here waiting. Welcome to New York. I live in Connecticut and we traveled from Connecticut to New York to go see the Statue of Liberty. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, thank you for stopping by. Don't be mean. Give the video a like, give me a follow at Shelly's Jamaican Pickle and Lifestyle. Give the video a like and drop a comment. Interact with me, guys. Giving you lots of video. I have lots of cooking video out there. They're not doing well, so I decided to start doing lifestyle vlogs to see if that will get me more views, more subscribers, something new, or just additional to my channel. Here we are about boarding. And if you've been following me for a while, last year I went to Puerto Rico and I did a travel vlog for Puerto Rico. Foods I ate in Puerto Rico. Run on over and check that out too. I do hope that you love this video. I got some really good shots because I was on the top portion of the boat to show you the beautiful city, New York. New York is a beauty. Manhattan itself, it is a whole vibes. Look really good. The buildings are high. The buildings are like nice. This was us after we boarded, hungry and tired. We were overlooking the boat, getting ready to leave the port and to start. So the journey has begun. So you can watch, enjoy, and I'll give you a little music while you watch. Won't give you a lot of talking. And I do hope that once you watch this video, you will watch the other part to see what else we did while we were in New York. I went to visit Ground Zero for the first time. It was emotional, whilst also it was a beauty. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment. Right there, that's Brooklyn Bridge right there, which is a bridge that is like really long. I won't remember every spot that we passed or that we videoed, but we were told on the boat ride where we were passing and some specific spots. I won't remember all of them. But that's a long bridge that runs from wherever to wherever. I love traveling. I love going to new places. Look at people in them private yachts out there. Yes, I love to travel. I'm a girl that loves to travel. Work hard, save, and play hard. There's the Statue of Liberty. We're almost getting there. And the boat ride I went on, we did not come off at the island to like go on the island itself. We just stopped by. We were able to get like videos or pictures taken. Look at the Statue of Liberty. It's such a beauty. It's a large monument. Beautiful monument, I tell you. Really, really large. And as we all know, the Statue of Liberty, it stands for, or it means freedom. It's a universal symbol of freedom, and its name comes from the Roman goddess, I think. The statue's torch is meant to represent enlightenment and guide people toward liberty and justice. It also represents friendship, emancipation, immigration, the whole works. Unity, yes. A beautiful, beautiful sight on an island that you could go to just view on the inside, but we only passed by. We stopped there. The boat did stop for us to like do videos, take pictures, but we did not like go on the island itself. So at this point, the boat is like almost departing, so I just like got another picturesque view of it. So you see it's such a beauty, and of course there were people there. Lots of people were there, and we're on a boat ride back to head into Manhattan. This boat took, I would say, an hour and maybe 10 minutes to and from. The ride took roughly 1 hour 10 minutes in total. And I'm showing you the city of Manhattan. It is a beauty. So calm, serene, and peaceful riding on the boat. And my sister Sonia from the UK, she enjoyed every minute, every moment of this. This was me and my sister having fun while on the boat. Yes, putting a little fun in, and of course with friend Nay running on the thing. We were dancing to New York, concrete jungle where dreams are made up. There's nothing you can't do while we're in New York. These streets will make you feel brand new. And then it's almost time for us to get off the boat. We had a ball. It was good. I really enjoyed myself. It's always good to spend some well-needed family time together. Look at these buildings. Manhattan is a whole vibe. I love it. I would live there, but I can't afford to. If you're considering to check this out, it is a whole vibe. Really good, really informational. While you're on the boat, they'll give you information on spots. And next, I'm gonna take you guys to the Memorial Museum and also to the Great Times Square. What is going to New York without going to visit Times Square? Stay tuned for my Ground Zero video, which includes going to Times Square. Thank you. See you soon.